Japan SoftBank Group reported a more than twofold jump in second quarter profit to $16.6 billion, driven by valuation gains from its investments in ChatGPT maker OpenAI. But there are growing concerns among market watchers about a so-called AI bubble. As many reports suggest, Sam Altman-run company has reported losses in October, even though its valuation has risen throughout the year. More details in this report.
SoftBank Group scored big from investing in artificial intelligence during the latest quarter. The Japanese firm said Tuesday net profit more than doubled to $16.6 billion from July to September. It was driven by gains in its holdings of ChatGPT maker OpenAI. The number for the period was well above analyst forecasts and from a year ago. SoftBank's Vision Fund unit posted an investment rise of close to $22.7 billion. It mostly came from the group's holding in OpenAI, which hit around $14 billion for the quarter. It shows the all-in bet on OpenAI by SoftBank head Masayoshi Son appears to have paid off. SoftBank has scored big out of a wave of investment in AI infrastructure like data centers and frontrunners in the tech's development like OpenAI. The results also means SoftBank has more money to employ in its AI-related spending. Its total investment in OpenAI is expected to reach $34.7 billion by the end of this year. But there are growing concerns among market watchers about a so-called AI bubble. Some fear the large sums invested by leading firms may not bring the high profits to justify the spending. A source also told Reuters in October losses are mounting at OpenAI, although its valuation has risen throughout the year. SoftBank agreed in March to lead a funding round of up to $40 billion in the company at a valuation of $300 billion. The firm also stepped up fundraising activities in the quarter by issuing bonds, taking out bridging loans, and selling equity holdings. It includes the sale of the rest of its shares in tech giant Nvidia for $5.83 billion.
Moving on to Alphabet now. Well, Google has unveiled its biggest ever investment in Germany on Tuesday, pledging $6.4 billion for a new data center and as many as 9,000 jobs as Europe seeks to catch up in the AI race. It comes after AI chip juggernaut Nvidia and Deutsche Telekom last week announced plans for a high-tech hub in Germany aimed at helping industry speed up adoption of AI. The cash injections are a boost for Germany, whose economy is struggling, as well as Europe as it seeks to catch up with AI leaders, that's the United States and China. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz is seeking to attract more foreign investment to boost the digital sector, with prospects for the country's traditional industrial titans increasingly bleak. Now from Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang confirming very strong demands for the company's Blackwell AI chips to a UK startup developing a low-energy metal refining process. We bring you a roundup of the biggest tech stories of the week. Take a look.
From precious chip deals to precious metals, this is Tech Weekly. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang said the company has seen very strong demand for its advanced Blackwell chips, and it's producing the semiconductors with the help of TSMC's wafers. Huang even said Nvidia's success wouldn't be possible without the Taiwanese firm's support on wafers. Nvidia made history last month when it became the first company to reach a $5 trillion market value. Apple won't release the next version of the iPhone Air in the fall of 2026 as previously planned. That's according to sources familiar with the matter. The company launched the iPhone Air in 2025 as a thinner and lighter alternative within its iPhone portfolio. The model came with some trade-offs in terms of battery size and camera features. CEO Elon Musk said Tesla will likely have to build a chip fab to make AI semiconductors, and he said the EV maker could work with US firm Intel. Tesla is designing its fifth-generation AI chip to power its autonomous ambitions. Musk raised the issue at the company's annual meeting.
As far as I can see, the only option is to go build some very big chip fab.
The AA Driving School Academy says trainee driving instructors are turning to virtual reality to master complex road scenarios in a safe, controlled environment. Using Meta's Quest 3 headsets, the driving school can introduce instructors to modern hazards, including a higher number of cyclists and scooters. UK startup DesCycle is dissolving discarded tech using deep eutectic solvent chemistry to pull out precious and critical metals at room temperature. It's an alternative to energy-hungry smelting, and DesCycle says the liquids selectively dissolve metals from shredded circuit boards and other e-waste while leaving most non-metal components behind.